How do you get a fresh perspective on the rooms of your home when you're living there all the time? I'm Doug Walker. Welcome to the Roominess Design Files. In order to make changes in your home, often you need to have a fresh perspective. One way to do this is to take pictures of your rooms and look at the pictures rather than at your room itself. But I want you to take the pictures in a specific sort of way. First, look at the axes of your room. Draw a center line down the middle of your room in each direction and take pictures on those center lines so you can see from one side to the other how things balance in your space. Look at both axes and at both ends. Go from either end of the room and either side so that you get a sense of the entire space. Second, take pictures both during the day with the curtains open and at night with the lights on, so that you get a sense of how light plays in your space and what kind of lighting changes you might want to make. Third, once you have the pictures, zoom way in. Look at them in as fine a detail as you can and scroll around in that view. Things will pop out at you that you don't normally see in your room because you gloss over them. You're there all the time. With the zoomed in look, you'll get a different perspective on your room. If you'd like to up your interiors game, or to help spread the word, hit the share and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching.